Having instant, pure boiling and ice-cold water at the touch of a button is awesome. Not knowing how to change your BIBO Zapper is not as awesome. That's why we've come up with a simple step-by-step video with everything you need to know about changing your BIBO bar Zapper. Your BIBO bar will alert you when your Zapper needs to be replaced by first displaying a countdown to the expiration date. Thereafter, it will display this image. Make sure that you order your Zapper on time to ensure that the water is at its purest and that your BIBO bar functions optimally. Follow these steps to change your Zapper with ease. Remove the lid on the top of your BIBO bar to reveal the covers of two white filters on the right-hand side. The Zapper towards the front of your BIBO bar can be identified by its slimmer shape and flat top. Release the Zapper by using the key supplied with the BIBO bar. If you can't find it, there is another one in your Zapper replacement box. Insert the key into the red slot on the top of the Zapper. Then push the key down to release the latch. Turn the Zapper anti-clockwise to open. Pull the Zapper up and out. Remove the new Zapper from its packaging with care as it is delicate, then insert. Push down so that the red tongue is out and then twist by turning the Zapper clockwise to the closed position. Then replace the lid on your BIBO bar. You now need to complete the Zapper replacement by selecting the menu button on your BIBO bar screen and navigate to the Maxi Filter and Zapper settings by touching the red cup button 5 times. Note that the setting you're on is the one highlighted in bronze in the center of your screen. Touch the menu button again to navigate into the Maxi Filter and Zapper settings. Use the red cup button to navigate to the Zapper settings. Touch the menu button to navigate into the Zapper settings. Here you will see the number of days left along with the option to change the current Zapper. To activate and reset the Zapper, select the menu button. It will now display 360 days available on your new Zapper. To go back to the home screen, press the return button 3 times. Your BIBO Zapper will last for another 12 months. See you back this time next year. BIBO, changing your water consumption forever.